Welcome to Maths Easy. Welcome to Maths. Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions, I am here for the same. So today in this video, I am going to solve understanding quadrilaterals, exercise 11.1 of class 8. So here we'll be starting with the question number 1. Tick mark the correct answer. So here we have to do what? First question we'll be solving the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree is. So if we have to tell the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle is 45 degree. So we have to tell about the number of sides. So how we will solve it? We will just divide 360 degree with 45 degree. So cancel it. 5 9s are 5 7s are 35, 2s are 9 8s are. So eight sides would be the correct answer. Tick mark the correct answer. We have to mark it. So 8 sides, number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degrees is 8 sides. Let's move further. Question number 2. So here in question number 2, we have to tell how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of each exterior angle is 24 degree. So here we have to divide 360 with 24. 3 8s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 0s are. Now 8 1s are, 8 5s are, 15 sides. So here 15 sides is the answer. Let's move to the question number 3. If the sides of a quadrilateral are produced in an order, the sum of the 4 exterior angles so formed is 180 degree, 360 degree, 540 degree, or 720 degree. So of course, we all know that the sum of 4 exterior angles so formed is 360 degree. Let's move further. Question number 4. So question number 4 is the measure of each angle of a convex quadrilateral is less than 180 degree, equal to 180 degree, greater than 180 degree, none of these. So it will be less than 180 degree. This is our correct answer. It will be less than 180 degree. The answer of fourth question is less than 180 degree, which is A. Now let's move further. B. How many diagonals does each of the following have? A triangle, a pentagon, and heptagon. So for this, we have to what? We have to tell the number of diagonals each of the following has. So for a triangle, the number of diagonals would be what? How we will solve it? Let's see. We will solve it by using a formula. We can say n number of sides for the triangle, of course, minus 3 divided by 2. So for the triangle, number of sides is 3. 3 minus 3 divided by 2, that is 0 by 2, 0. So a triangle has no diagonals. Triangle has 0 diagonals or no diagonals, we can say. A triangle has no diagonals. For first, a triangle, the number of diagonals are 0. For triangle, the number of diagonals are 0. Now let's move further. For the second part, number of diagonals a pentagon have. So number of diagonals a pentagon have. How we will solve it? We will use the same formula, that is n minus 3 divided by 2. So n means pentagon 5. 5 minus 3 divided by 2, that is 5 into 5 minus 3, 2, 2. So number of diagonals a pentagon has is 5 diagonals. Number of diagonals a pentagon has is 5 diagonals. Let's move further. Third part, a heptagon. A heptagon. So heptagon, same formula will be used. For a heptagon, same formula will be used, and n minus 3 divided by 2, that is 7. 7 minus 3 divided by 2, that is 7 into 4 by 2, that is 2 to the 4, 14 diagonals. So heptagon has 14 diagonals. So it was all about question number B, B part, question number 1. So it was all about B part, question number 1. So what formula will be used? We will use the formula n minus 3 by 2. Now let's move further. Question number 2. Find the sum of the angles of a polygon of 5 sides. So if a angle, we have to tell the sum of the angles if a polygon have 5 sides. So if a polygon have 5 sides, here we will do it. If a polygon has 5 sides, we have to tell about the number of sum of the angles. So 5 sides for the first. If a polygon has 5 sides, how we will find out the sum of the number of angles, the sum of the angles of a polygon of n sides? We will write the sum of the angles of a polygon, the sum of angles of a polygon of n sides. How we will do it? We will do it 2n minus 4 right angles, 2n minus 4 right angles. So here, what is n? N is 5. So therefore required sum would be what? 2 into 5 minus 4 into 90. So 2 into 1 into 90, that is 2 into 5 minus 4, that is 10. We will write 10 minus 4 into 90, that is 6 into 90, that is 540 degree. So sum of our angles of a polygon who has 5 sides would be 540 degree. Let's move further. Second, 6 sides. So what would be the sum of the angles of a polygon who has 6 sides? So we will write for 6 sides, same formula will be used. For 6 sides, same formula will be used. We will write here n equal to 6. Therefore required sum would be what? 2 into 6 minus 4 into 90 degree. That is 12 minus 4 into 90 degree. That is 8 into 90 degree. That is 720 degree. Let's move further. So the sum of the angles of a polygon who has 6 sides is 720 degree. Let's move further. Third part, number of sides, 8 sides. If number of sides of a polygon has 8, so what will be the sum of angles of polygon who has 8 sides? So we will write therefore required sum would be what? 2 into 8 minus 4 into 90 degree. That is 16 minus 4 into 90 degree. That is 16 minus 4 means 12 into 90 degree. That is 1080 degree. So if a polygon has 8 sides, the sum of the angles of that polygon will be what? 1080 degree. Let's move further. If number of sides 16, if the number of sides 16 sides, we will write n equal to 16. Therefore required sum would be what? 2 into 16 minus 4 into 90 degree. So it will become what? 32 minus 4 into 90 degree. That is 28 into 90 degree. That is 2520 degree. So a polygon who has 16 sides, the sum of the angles of that polygon, what? 2520 degree. So it was all about B part, question number 2. Let's come to the third question. So third question says all the angles of a rectangle are equal. Is it a regular polygon? So we will write in our answer as no rectangle is not a regular polygon because regular polygon has sides of equal measure, because regular polygon has sides of equal measure and rectangle doesn't have sides of equal measure. This is our answer. So let's move to the question number 4. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. So here we have to tell about the measurement of x. So in our first question, we'll be starting with, let's name it ABCD, A, B, C, and D. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, 360 degree. We will write interior angles of ABCD. So it will be right 25 degree plus 110 degree plus 90 degree plus angle D or X, we can say 360 degree. So 25 plus 110, we will write plus 90 degree. So measurement or X will be 360 degree minus 225 degree. That is 135 degree. Let's move further. Question number 2. So we will start the question number 2 as, let's name it first A, B, C, D, and E. So first we will write angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E with what? 540 degree. Sum of interior angles of, reason will be sum of interior angles of A, B, C, D, E. Sum of interior angles of A, B, C, D, E. So here in our next line, we will be writing what? 110 degree plus 180 minus x degree plus 2x degree plus 90 degree plus 50 degree would be 540 degree. In our next step, we will be writing 250 degree plus 180 minus x plus 2x equal to 540 degree. In our next step, we will be writing 430 plus x equal to 540 degree. So x equal to 540 minus 430, that is sum of x will be 110 degree. So it was all about third part. Second part, now let's move to the third part. So third part says what? Let's move to the third part. So third part is, so for fourth part, how we will do it? So for third part, how we will do it? So third part is like this. This is 50 degree. We have to mention it. and these are both 80 degree and 80 degree. So we will name it first A, B, C, D, and E. So here we will be writing angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E will be what? 540 degree. So here we will write for the reason sum of interior angles of what? A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. So here we will be writing angle A plus 110 degree plus 80 degree plus 130 degree plus 80 degree equal to what? 540 degree. So here we'll be writing angle A or X, we can say, equal to 540 minus 400, that is 140 degree. So here we can write what? Don't assume angle A as X for the time being. First angle A, then we will find out X. X would be what? X would be 180 degree minus 140 degree. That is 40 degree. So X would be equal to 40 degree. Let's move further. Fourth part. So for the fourth part, we'll be writing what? Angle A. Let's name it angle ABC. So here we will be writing angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So we will write sum of interior angles of ABC. So here we will be writing, or we can do it by having the exterior angles. That would be the better option. So we will be writing sum of exterior angles equal to 360 degree. So here equal to 360 degree, here 150 degree plus 80 degree. How 80 degree? Linear pair. This is 8. If this is 100 degree, that means it would be 80 degree plus 80 degree plus angle C equal to 360 degree. So it will be equal to angle C equal to 360 degree minus 230 degree, that is 130 degree. So X would be equal to 130 degree. Let's move further. Fifth. So for the fifth part, we will be writing what? Let's name it first A, B, C, and D. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. We will be writing sum of exterior angles. So in our next step, we'll be writing X plus 5 degree to X minus 10 degree, X degree, 4X plus 5 degree, 360 degree, 8X equal to 360 degree, X equal to 360 degree by 8, 45 degree. So the measurement of angle X would be 45. Let's move further. Question number 5. Find the number of sides of a polygon. The sum of whose interior angle is 720 degree. How we will solve it? So we will solve it 720 degree using formula. We will be writing using formula 2n minus 4 equal to 70 degree. 2n minus 4 into 90 equal to 70 degree. 2n minus 4, 720 by 90, that is 9 8s. So here we will be writing 2n. Here we will be writing 2n. Here we will be writing 2n minus 4 we'll be writing 2 and 8 plus 4. So n will be equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. So therefore number of sides of a polygon, the sum of whose interior angle is 720 degree is equal to 6. Let's move further. Second part, 1620 degree. Second part, 1620 degree. How we will solve it? 1620 degree. How we will solve it? We will be solving it using the formula 2n minus 4. 2n minus 4 into 90 degree is equal to 1620 degree. So 2n minus 4, 1620 divided by 90. Solve it 18 degree. So 2n 18 plus 4 n is equal to 22 by 2, 11. Therefore, number of sides of a polygon whose measure of angle is 1620 degree is equal to 11. So we will be right. Therefore, number of sides, what? 11. Let's move further. 10 right angles. Let's move further. 10 right angles. How we will solve it? Means 10 into 90. It will be equal to 900 degree. Using the same formula, 2n minus 4 into 90 degree equal to 900 degree. So we will be writing, we'll do it here. So we'll be writing what? 2n minus 4 equal to 900 upon 90, that is 10. So 2n would be 10 plus 4 and would be 14 by 2, that is 7. So we'll be writing therefore number of sides would be what? 7. Let's move further. So for last question. So the question number 6 is, which is the last question of this video, is it possible to have a polygon the sum of whose interior angle is 750 degrees? So answer would be, what would be the answer? Answer would be no. Why no? Because 750 degree is not a multiple of 180 degree. So it is not possible to have a polygon the sum of whose interior angle is 750 degree. So it was all about exercise 11.1, question number 1 to 6. So in our upcoming videos, I'll be solving more of the questions of understanding quadrilaterals of class 8, Goyal Brothers Prakashan, exploring mathematics. So if you guys like my videos, if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the videos as much as possible. Thank you so much.